When I got to college, I originally tried to go the piloting route. However, after 2 years of taking classes and figuring out what I wanted to do, I realized that was not the life I wanted to live. So I switched to the Unmanned Aircraft Systems program over at Middle Tennessee State University, and it's been the best decision I've ever made. I haven't looked back. Through this program, I was introduced to so much technologies, different ways you can fly them, you can build them, and different ways you can program them. One piece of advice I would give to someone who doesn't know where to start, who's looking to break ground in the industry, would be just immerse yourself in multiple disciplines of unmanned aircraft systems. Flying is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you're familiar with how to fly and the technology, you'll be unstoppable.